What's up mga kaibigan? Nandito naman tayo sa pinabagong video guys. Yan na. Dito ulit tayo sa Anime Defenders. Nagbabalik tayo mga kaibigan. Let's go. Ngayon tayo na sa may underwater temple na guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Hey, nice. Papatulong tayo sa kanila. So guys, papatulong tayo sa kanila. Lalakas to guys. So guys, may tuko sa amin guys. Puta. Tangina. Tae guys. Guys, ngayon tayo ay magpapatulong boy. Let's go. Kasi na sila. Alis tayo dito guys. Baka na sila. Tara. Sarado. Hey, what's up? Let's go. Recording. What's up? Let's go guys. Go. Come on. Yeah. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Hey, let's go. Get some fun, bro. Let's go. Come, bro, come. Let's go. Start. Let's go, guys. Let's go. It's no time to shine. Let's go. Okay. Focus Academy. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, bro. Let's go. This is what I'm saying, bro. Like the all enemies regen health. Damn your enemies, bro. I'm the one who's making you proud. Yeah. I'm the one making this game. Yeah. Not really, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. I'ma save up, bro. What I believe, bro. What I'm gonna believe. What believe, bro? I'm not gonna believe, bro. What's in? Nah, you bitch. Then spin it. Damn. You slipped up on him, how, bro? Damn. Strongest sword. Bro, this is Mihawk, bro. Strongest sword, man. That's not strongest sword, man. This is Mihawk, bro. What are you saying, bro? This Akaina, bro. Who the hell is this? Is that your grandpa? No. My grandpa is more handsome than this. Hey, let's go. Grandpa has Wiz. Yeah, I know. Grandpa has the max Wiz, bro. You know, like 3 like one this. Yeah. Like that, bro. I like that. It's parkour. Hey, I'm Spider-Man now. If you can't know, guys, if you didn't know, you can spam this dash, bro. You look like Spider-Man. I'm gonna do Spider-Man. Wait, guys, wait. Okay. Let's go. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Bro, if we go somehow to be hide and seek, nah. Oh, it just poop. Nah. Damn, poop with lava. For real, bro. Body shot. Hey, yo. What the? Hey, yo. Gordon, bro. Cut. Oh, damn. Damn. Why so mean? Why so mean, bro? Why so mean? Bro, this mean, bro. Why so mean, bro? Daddy shot all you, bro. Damn! Damn! Got some manners, bro. Some manners, bro. Ukisti sa bomb, bro. Ukisti sa bomb. Yeah, just a Ilocano word like that. Yeah. Ukisti sa bomb. Kuya natin si... Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah. Puto. Gusto ko ng puto. Sinabi ko na kanina yung puto eh. Bet ako nagtatagalog. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Like, before, I said puto. I don't know what I'm saying before. What did I say before? Like, I'ma watch it later, bro. What I said before. I said puto, right? Yeah. Puto. Hey, cat. Hello. How are you? Why your face like that, huh? Oh, you from China? Nice. I'm from Philippines. Let's fight. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Yo. What the? Hey, yo. Damn. Bro, report this guy. Report. Oh, damn. Hey, damn. For real, bro. For real. Are you gay? You gay or something? Nah. Do that to me. Hey, yo. No. No. I will smack you if you do that to me. Yeah, you know. You know what I'm gonna do. You know. Stay away from me, bro. You're weird. This gay, bro. This gay. What's wrong with you, bro? Can't see my Mew. I will report you. Huh? Can't see Mew. I will report you. Hey, yo. Oh, yo. Yo, report this guy, bro. Report this guy, bro. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Nah, they're fighting, bro. Nice. GG's, bro. GG's. Oh, shoot. I need some stars, by the way. Because if I get mythic, that will be great, bro. Sheesh. I will complete all daily quests, bro. For you, bro. For you. Hey, I will complete all. Hey, let's go. Hey. I have max wish, bro. Oh, I will hit quickly. Progress, friend, progress. Come on. What's up? Bro, I'm recording. Oh guys, what's up? Shout out to my friend. Naibo ko na siya. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, congrats. Bro, congrats. LOL, you saw my video. LOL. Come on, let's go. Story mode, bro. Nah. Bro, come with me. I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. Hey, you know, like, I'm fine. I have max wish, bro. Chong. Hell, what the hell are you saying, bro? Bro's level 27. Bro can't even enter, bro. Bro can't even enter, bro. That gay, dude. Don't want him anyways, bro. What is he doing, bro? Kissing another guy? Ew. She's disgusting, bro. If you will kiss me like that, I'ma punch him like Saitama, bro. For real. He's not gonna be alive anymore, bro. He's dead. Purely dead, bro. Don't do that to me. You will be dead for you. Oh, Fishman Bandit. Nice, 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 nice. I just, my sound is like a bit tough because you can hear my voice. But yeah, like that. What are these? Seeds? Bro, seaweeds, bro. Nah, I'm gonna eat this, bro, for real. You know, I got the drip, like, yeah, I got the drip, bro. Hey, I got the jaw language. Damn, I got the reeds, bro. I got the reeds. No, I'm gonna use some mama, bro. Hey, let's go. Hey, look at some reeds, bro. This. Oh, I guess I'ma update you on my new legendary curse fighter, bro. Let's go. I got it like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, bro. Just got it. And I get her rate sweetness. Reduce cooldown by 9%. Let's go. That's that's okay, bro. If I get Almighty, you know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna freak out, bro. So, do you want me guys to play replay, guys? The app like replay and space and play space werewolf with my friend. I have that in my phone. Yeah. Come on, you can do it, bro. You can do it. I believe in yourself. What the hell? Hey, yeah. Just my true friend, guys. Just my true friend. I have one friend too. Almost 1 year. Yeah, almost 1 year of being friends with her. Yeah. Damn. Come on. Hey. Parkour. Hey. Wash me, nene. Hey. Let him cook. Yeah. 100%. Let him cook, bro. Let him cook. Bro. Advanced fish, man. Yeah. Give me fish, bro. If you advance, just give me a shark, bro. I'ma cook it later, bro. You said you're advanced, bro. Oh, yo. You got that big brain, bro. What's that big brain? Damn. Are you genius or something, bro? Damn. Think you got the drip. Hey, you got the drip, bro. You got the drip. We need to see more drip. Oh, damn. Nah, I'm more handsome. Look at that. 6 packs ab, bro. 6 packs ab. Damn. Is that you, Aquaman? Oh, no. Advanced Fishman. Good, bro. Got the 6 packs ab. How many gems you have? 900. What about you? What about you, bro? LOL. What the hell? By the way, shout out to my friends, guys. Shout out. After this one, I'ma end this video. Come on. Don't be shy. It's free to subscribe, you know. Hey, it's free to subscribe, bro. Hey, you got that Max Reese, bro. Hey. Max Reese, hey. Yo. Bro, come on. This doesn't matter, put your pawn away. Yo, is that you, Akaina, bro? Akaina, is that you? Oh my god. Don't I know, see, you killed Ace, bro. Why did you kill Ace? I'ma kill your whole career, bro. At least we got Cyborg, bro. Cyborg, hey, is that you, Cyborg? Hey, oh my god. Damn. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. This will end the video, guys. By the way, like and subscribe, guys, and turn on the notification bell. Let's go. Bye, guys. Bye. Shout out to my friend, guys. Dun, dun, dun.